Well, like I said, I was kind of crossroads. I'm really kind of thinking what I should do here. So I got my 10 rib kit, as you guys know. My next plan was cams. No, I wasn't going to do this coming year. 2023, I was just hoping to enjoy my car, hit some car shows, maybe do some car shit, and just make some video and content for you guys. I really wasn't planning to do any upgrades. So 2023, I really don't want to do shit. We'll see if that changes or not, but I really don't want to do much. But I am thinking, what is my next big upgrades? Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to do a $100 part here, $100 piece there. I'm talking big money. I'm talking $2,000 to $4,000. You know, I'm talking about my bonus going, not to my wife's wallet, pocketbook, but to the car. You know, that's my fickle.
What you wish for. The audience ams a fickle's mistress, Toki.
Mistress that never fucking, you know, has enough. So anyway, that car just takes my money. So my two upgrades in my world I'm thinking are cams and a 3.8 Whipple. I'm not sure what I should do. So on one hand, I think I can replace my Whipple supercharger and not cost me anything out of pocket other than time. And what I mean by time is I think I could sell my kit and pay for the other kit and walk out of the net wash. Cams on the other hand is going to cost me money. Because obviously no one wants to buy stock GT350 cams. They're not worth anything. They're probably, you can buy them from Ford for a few $100. So that's kind of where I'm at. So I don't know what I should do, if I should go this way or go the other. I'm not sure. But what I'm thinking is do the 3.8 over the cams first. Because when I do the cams, I'm obviously going to want to do cams, timing guides, chains, all that stuff. And I think the cams from L&M are like $2,000, and then looking at like the MMR pieces I can get for it, the timing chains and guides, and all the bolts, you're looking at another $2,000 just to be safe. That's so $4,000. It's like $4,000. So do I spend the $4,000, make some power, or do I go 3.8, probably make even more power, not spend any money out of pocket? In the end, it's going to cost me money to buy. Obviously, I'm going to have to put down the $6,000 to get the 3.8, but that's where I'm kind of at, guys. I'm at a point where I'm not sure where I want to go with this. Do I go the 3.8 route or do I go the cam route? You know, where do I go? So either one, probably 2 years away, and either one after that will be another 2 years after that, because I don't really see me buying either one this year. But I say this year, I mean 2023. So anyway, let me know. I hope to get you guys some videos here soon. Still waiting on the timing covers to come back with the valve covers being painted. When I get that back, I'll show you guys a video. I am taking off Fridays, basically not this coming Friday, but after this, the 9th and the 16th, and then the Friday after that's a holiday for us, and then after that. So anyway, I'm not sure, but I'm hoping to have you guys some videos. I'm hoping to get this car on before the snow and the cold weather comes, because with the new 10 rib kit, I like to see what it does. But anyway, that's my thoughts for you guys. Is kind of at a crossroads of what would you guys do if you guys are in my shoes? Would you buy the 3.8, front the money up front, or would you go with the cams and stick with that? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure. Talk to you guys later.